Hey guys, we're in Berkeley, Illinois, and this is a home run deal. So this is Melanie, and she's an agent. She was running on a treadmill, and now as a rental, she's going to own treadmills. So Melanie, what's the deal with this?
So as an agent, I could have sold this home and made $5,000, $6,000. As a flip, I could have made around $100,000. But as an investor, I'll have cash flow forever. That was all made possible by attending the cash flow conference because it's something that I always wanted to do, but I couldn't do because I didn't have the funding.
So guys, let's go inside and we'll check out the property. So what are you doing to the property?
So in here, the crown molding will be removed. I'll skim the walls. The whole property will have matching LVP flooring throughout. And then back here takes us to the 3 bedrooms. Bathroom was a full gut. So that's all going to be tiled shower, tiled floor, vanity done very nice. All new doors. There's no point in spending the money on all the primer and the labor to paint them. New closet doors, new light fixtures. So really just your basic cosmetic rehab.
And you mentioned something, Ms. Melanie, that you're going to put LVP. You don't need to spend money. Believe me, don't spend money on LVP. Just sand this and stain it. It will turn out stunning.
So they did put a lot of screws throughout.
Just trust me. Trust me on this one. Trust me on this one. You don't need to spend any money on LVP. $130 on this for sanding, staining. It will look stunningly beautiful. This is hardwood floors. Absolutely be travesty for you to put LVP on it. So pretty simple with the bedrooms, and then you're just doing a brand new bath.
Yes.
You're taking out this or you're keeping it?
So it's debatable. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to glaze the tub, keep it.
You have all the plumbing open, right? I mean, you can put in a tub for $200 and be done with it because then the glaze won't come off. Otherwise, the glaze, it's like a 2 to 5 years.
Okay.
It starts coming off. So since you have it open, it's easy enough just to replace it out.
But I do have a dilemma in the kitchen. I'm hoping I could get your opinion on, Andrew, because I'm trying to open up the kitchen more, but I think if we take away this wall, I need to fill in these windows because there's not enough kitchen space.
So this is kind of interesting, right? That the refrigerator came with the property, so it's just given the space in the kitchen. Most of the times people would hate to get rid of this.
I was happy when I saw the
exactly.
appliances.
The problem here is it's too big. For the space, it's too big. So you got to move it to your next rental property, right? So you got to save it because obviously it's a beautiful refrigerator, or you got to just maybe sell it. And actually I have a property down the street. You could probably, we could probably buy it from you. Seriously, right? But the biggest problem here is that, okay, what do you do? Used to be that the
sink was here.
Sink was kind of there. I know you talk about closing this window. And there's another window here. So there's almost no room for cabinets. But opening the one wall, I mean, that's $1,000, right? It increases the value of the back end by $40,000, $50,000, open concept, right? So what my suggestion would be is take video of this, pictures of this, measure this dimensions where the doors are, and then take it to a cabinet place, to a cabinet supplier, and have them put it on their CAD. Because it won't cost you anything and they can lay it out. Now we can see it with the smaller refrigerator a little bit, because then we're not second guessing, because we don't want to screw this up because this is the most critical part of the house. So that's where I would start. That rather than us second guessing it, I would have them draw it out a little bit and then we can see it. How does it look on paper? So hey guys, what would you do with this kitchen, right? Put it in the comment below and let's go and we'll look at the numbers. So what are the numbers on this property?
So I purchased it for $100,000. Rehab's going to be $55,000. ARV is around $330,000.
ARV is $330,000. So basically it'll be all in at $170,000, including everything. And ARV is $330,000. So now most people be jumping up and down, right? Because legitimately you could flip it and make $120,000, $130,000.
Yes.
Why are you not flipping it? Why are you keeping it? Because actually keeping it momentarily is painful. Because you're like, oh my God, I'm letting go all that income.
Yes.
Why are you trying to keep it?
Well, I'm trying to keep it because I really want to build passive income for myself. and have that cushion. Real estate is a roller coaster.
Right.
I'm fortunate, enough to be busy, but I want to have that passive income.
So passive income. So as a regular rental, right, you can buy the property, rehab it, you can get 30 to 35, 40,000 out, cash to you,
Yes.
right? And you can rent the property out and you'll make $1,000 every single month.
At least.
Right? At least every single month, right? As a midterm or Airbnb, how much do you want to make?
$3,500.
$3,500 a month. Okay. Actually, this property, it's very, very doable. Anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500 in summer. It's very, very doable. Guys, genuinely from bottom of my heart, could not be a better home run deal. It works as a flip, it works as a rental, and it works as a midterm and a short-term property. Other people have theories. We have properties. You want to learn how to buy properties like this? Go to andrewholmesrealestate.com and learn how you can acquire properties just like this one. I'll see you soon.